I'm back. I physically dusted off the vlog camera. It's been about a year and I really am excited to bring the vlogs back. I've missed it. For a while I didn't, but now I've started to really miss it. And I just want to share a little bit about what I've been up to. I think I'm going to do a weekend in my life. This is just a really casual weekend. I don't really have anything planned, so I thought it'd be good to kind of ease my way back into the vlogs. There are a couple of exciting things that you've missed. One being I started a podcast, which I love. It's been so fun to do, and it's fun to do something that's just more casual. So it's very unedited, raw footage that's just audio, obviously. And it's on iTunes and SoundCloud, so I'll link it below if you haven't listened or you would be interested in listening. The topic is everything, my whole life, and just pop culture, and it's a good conversation between my roommate and I. I have a roommate now. She's awesome. You've seen her before if you've watched my vlogs before. Her name's Katie, and I love having her here. I got 2 new additions, and I'll show you guys. Lemon, can you say hello? Oh, hi, Bubbas. Where's your sister? Where's your sister? Marty. Hi, Bubbas. I'm officially a crazy cat lady. I can't even tell you the story about it. It was just an impulse decision to get 2 kittens, and I'm genuinely obsessed with them. I never even liked cats before, and now I don't know how I've lived 27 years before them. So it's been really great. Lemon's now wanting to play with the vlog camera. And what else? Actually, in the last vlog, I ended it by saying that I quit my job, and I did a couple month stint at a new salon, but then I went back to my old salon. So I've been back there since March. It's October now, so it'll be almost a year coming next March, which is like not that far away. Oh, the year's almost over. So much has happened. Today's Saturday. I just worked a full day and I just came home and I've just been hanging out. I think I might go out tonight. I've kind of just been really moody lately, to be completely honest. And I think I need to go out and just like do something. So it's about 6:15 now, and I think in about a couple of hours I'm gonna go out. Tell us what we're doing, because I have no idea.
I think we're gonna go, I don't know, the verdict's out. It could either be a Dallas Mavericks ball game, or it could be a...
But we're not going to the ball game, are we?
Yeah, we're going to American Airlines Center right now.
I'm confused. I do love basketball, but I don't think
Let's not hit this transient, man. Yeah, so that's what's happening. It's either a ball game or a barbering event. And we're gonna go...
Let's play What Are the Odds below.
See some peeps. All I know is that whenever this group of people has VIP, it's always good. So
they have VIP, so we have VIP.
Yeah, so...
Because
your friends could get with my friends, or maybe we could be friends.
And be VIP friends.
Be VIP friends.
This night could get crazy. I'm joking.
Oh my god.
I brought my own water bottle.
I could definitely live with a camera in my face.
Yeah,
like, I could be
too.
a Kardashian with a camera on my dash.
How does my makeup still look good? I forgot how good I look on this camera compared
to
like,
yes.
I know.
I have a Sony camera, but I don't know if my thing goes up like that.
This is the Sony A5000. Out here at the Mavs game.
God, my coat's cute.
So cute. Got free noisemakers, free t-shirts, got a hot dog. So good. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday, which is such a good, relaxing day for me. I just let myself do absolutely nothing, and then Mondays are when I just kind of get my life together and go grocery shopping and all that. I think I'm going to do a fun photo shoot with one of my coworkers slash new neighbors, so we can have just like content and pictures for like the future for Instagram and stuff, because you know how it goes. But that, and then I think I'm gonna go to my parents' house tonight. I would like to see my niece and nephew, but we'll see if I can fit it all in. Okay, fall vibes. I just made my own little pumpkin spice latte because I was craving it, and a little bit of breakfast. So I was going to use my vlog camera for this little photo shoot, and then I was like, what am I doing? One, I want to go see my niece and nephew. Two, my brother has all of the types of equipment and cameras and things. So I asked him if I could borrow one of his cameras so we can have like quality pictures. And so I'm gonna drive over there now and grab that. Eva, what do you think about my shoes? You love them? I love that about you. My #1 fan. Are you my #1 fan?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh my gosh. What is this? Why are you so scared of her? She just wants to love you. Oh my gosh. Wait. Gotta be not in this. Where's the shade? Over here. I don't want to be in the vlog. Come on! This is your moment.
No, it's not.
Out here with my girl Tia, we are about to do a little photo shoot.
Okay.
Okay. We were not prepared for this photo shoot.
For yourself.
Were you prepared?
I'm very prepared. Hello, bloggers.
These cuties taking your afternoon nap. Your Sunday nap. Good morning. You would think that it's still the same day because I can't stop wearing the sweatshirt. This is just my like weekend vibe, and also I spent the night at my parents' house and I was too lazy to pack more clothes. So last night I just came to my parents, watched some Survivor, caught up, and went to bed. I was so tired. And then this morning, it's about 8:30 now, and I'm going to the doctor. So fun. Happy Monday. And then I feel very like period-y. So I don't know how much I'm gonna get done today. I want to just like set everything ready for the rest of the week so that I just have a smooth week. That's what my Mondays are for. So hopefully I can go home afterwards and just make stuff happen. Okay, back from the grocery store. I also got my weekly meals from Territory. Look at this giant knife. I don't know how many cities it's in. I'll leave my link down below if you want to try it. I think you might get some money off. But I get 6 meals a week generally from them. And I get all of my meals Whole30. So super healthy. I got Mexican chicken with fajita zoodles, Asian chicken with vegetable fried rice and sesame ginger sauce, spaghetti squash, and marinara and meatballs, grass-fed. And then I got some ground turkey chili and a taco salad. So good. I also went to Trader Joe's and got a few things for the week because I eat those for lunch and sometimes dinner, and then I just have like random things for the rest of the week. So I got these chomps. They're like, it's a grass-fed beef stick. They're also Whole30. I try to eat Whole30 as much as possible, and I love these for like snacks on the go. I got some eggs. I got, ooh, RX bar. I like having these on hand because just when I like want something and I don't have anything. I got them the pumpkin spice flavor, seasonal, love it. I got 2 cucumbers and some mint because I'm gonna maybe recreate this recipe of this cucumber mint honey like salad thing that I had one time and I was just craving it. I got, oh this, I forgot I got this, Fuji apple spice cider with cinnamon and clove. It's just apples, cinnamon, and clove to try. And then I got some shaved Brussels sprouts because I have some bacon in the fridge to make, so I might do like a little side moment with that. I got 2 mangoes. I'm so obsessed with mangoes these days, and I haven't had them in a while. And then I got, this is my favorite thing from Trader Joe's frozen section. It's their roasted potatoes with peppers and onions. So I normally eat that sometimes with eggs in the morning. And that's really all I got from Trader Joe's. I didn't go in with a list, so I probably should have, but too bad. Now it's time to really get my life together. I came home to the kitties. They're so cute. I miss them. It's so weird how like every day I just love them more. And I never thought that I would be this way. So I'm gonna get my life together. It's only like 11 o'clock in the morning. I got my prescription I needed, went grocery shopping, went to the doctor, drove all the way back home, and I'm feeling productive and I need this juice to like keep going. So I'm not gonna let myself sit down. That's always my problem, is I'll like sit down for a second and then I don't get back up. So I'm feeling like very energized. So I'm gonna get my life together. Hi, I was such a bad vlogger last night that I forgot to end my weekend vlog. So I literally had the most introverted night. I had no human interaction. So today I'm gonna be like all wired, which is not good for an extrovert. But I watched the Streamies last night and like live texted it with Katie because she's house sitting, but she comes home today, praise, and we're gonna record the podcast and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this weekend in my life. I hope it wasn't too boring, but I was just trying to like ease myself back into the vlogging life. But I have 3 trips coming up that I'm hopefully gonna vlog, so that'll be really fun. So stay tuned and like, subscribe. Wow, it's been a long time since I've said that. Like, subscribe, comment below, whatever. And I'll see you guys next time.